How to order on Dairy Queen app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Dairy Queen and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Move into order. In this space, you can search for the specific or the nearby restaurant that you want. Once you find a specific restaurant, the menu will be shown to you. From here, select the food that you want to purchase. Now once again select as per your requirement. You can also choose the size of the food. Once it is done, tap on Save at the bottom. Recheck the items and then click on Checkout at the bottom. Before the placement of order, you have to make the payment, so tap on Add New Card. Enter the detailed information of your debit or credit card. Once you have made the payment, your order will be placed successfully, and within some period, your order will be delivered to you and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order on Dairy Queen app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.